Greetings to all. My name is Anusha Singh of 11th Vega from Orbis School, Keshav Nagar. When you want to make your home secure, you lock the door. When you want to prevent your bike from being stolen, you use a bike lock. When you want to protect your valuable possessions, you keep them in a safe. But what do you do when you want to protect your identity online? So here are a few points to keep in mind while you are online. Protect your personal data with strong passwords. Keep your personal information private, as hacker can use your social media profile to figure out your password and answer to those security questions in the password reset tools. Keep your devices secure. Pay attention to the software updates. Be careful about the Wi-Fi. Set up two-factor authentication and back up your personal data. Delete cookies and spam mails. But overall, keep calm, be safe, because safety once is safety always. Thank you.